Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to unbox this poco C55. So friends, here I have finished to unbox. Actually I just unboxed, okay, but I'm just going to record for you unboxing this mobile phone. Okay, I'm just recording for you. Okay friends, here you can see this is the cool blue 6 GB. So I have ordered the mobile phone cool blue. Okay, and here you can see poco C55. From here friends, you can see poco C55 large 17.4 centimeter HD plus display, scratch resistance display, and here you can see the 500 mAh type battery, 100-watt charger in box. Okay, so they has given the 100-watt charger, 50 MP all camera, 5 MP selfie camera, MediaTek Helio G85 enhanced gaming with 1 megahertz GPU. Okay, and from here this all everything you can check by yourself. Okay friends, so let's unbox the mobile phone. So friends, don't mind, I have finished to unbox my mobile phone. Okay, and but I'm recording fastly right now. Okay, so here, but I know I'm late. My mobile phone now has came from before only, almost it has been like for 4 to 5 days, I think so, but I'm too late. Okay, for unboxing. Here is my mobile phone. So let's this is the blue. Okay, let's put it here on the side and let's check the inside the box. Okay, what it has given. So inside the box, you can see this is the pin ejector, and here you can check your manual guides. Okay, from here, and this one also let's put on this side, and here is the mobile phone cable. Okay, cable wire. This is your mobile phone cable wire. It's amazing. It's good. And friends, this is your adapter. Okay, which is 10 watt, I think so. It has written 10 watt, right? Xiaomi Technology India Private Limited, 75 microns, buyback price 0.36. And from here also you can check, see, power adapter. Okay, so this also let's put on this side, and right now check the mobile phone. Okay, so friends, here I'm going to check the mobile phone. Let's check the mobile phone. So friends, here you can see the color is very good. Okay, I just love it when I saw it first time. It's very nice, see. And here you can see the camera, torch, and your fingerprint points. Okay, the options. And on the side you can see power button, volume button, and this is your speaker and your charger and your mic. And here you can see SIM ejector, and from here you can see for the earphone options. Okay, so friends, here you can see I have finished to I have just put the tempered glass because I just ordered. Okay, when I ordered my mobile phone, no, then only I have ordered this tempered glass. So I just set it up. Okay, I just put it. Okay, so that my mobile phone will not be scratched. Okay, it will not get scratched because it has came so fastly. Then so it's good for me, right? So I have just inserted. So friends, let's set up our mobile phone. If you don't know how to set up, please check the videos how to set up your poco C55. Okay friends, because I'm not going to show you how to set up because it will be too long. Okay, the video will be too long, that's why I'm not going to set up. Okay, you can see the mobile phone, it's very looking nice. I just love the color. Okay friends, so let's set up our mobile phone. So friends, here you can see I have complete to set up. Okay, when I was set upping, no, I just set the screen lock also, that's why the screen lock came. Okay friends, so friends, you can set up easily like this your mobile phone. Okay, if you don't know how to set up, then you can check the videos. Okay, if you are curious about the camera, how the camera will be, then I can show you how the camera is. Okay, you just watch till the end the video. Here the camera is this one, and let's capture some photos. Okay, suppose I want to capture this one. So here I capture some photos. See friends, you can see photos is here. It's get blur. It's okay. Let's check another one. Okay, see right now I capture. I'm recording at night time. Okay, that's why you can see, but it's good. The camera, it's good. I was recording. I'm just recording in the night. Okay, you can see, but everything is perfect. Okay, the camera is good. You can check again on through the gallery if you want to check. Okay, the about the photos. Okay, see from here the photos. See, this is your photos. Okay, friends. So friends, here you can see everything is good. If you want to know about the setting, just click on setting, and here let's check this sound. Okay, here is this sound. If you want to check your offline sound, you have to click on profile, then click on ringtone. See, the sound is good. Okay, friends. So the sound is perfect, and if you want to know about the quality, I can show you. When I was set up, then I have finished to connect my Wi-Fi, so I can show you directly the YouTube video. Okay, friends. Agree. Click on OK. After that, here you can watch some videos. Let's make this one sound a little down and check the quality. See, friends. Here's your quality. Let's make this higher. So friends, you can see everything is nice. It's looking good. And here is your setting. Then from here you can move on this quality. Then here advanced. After that you can see 1440p 80. You can set from here. Okay, suppose I want to set this one as we will be applied this currently. You can make very big also. See, okay. So the quality also good. If you want to know, then friends, okay, see everything is good. I'm just recording at night time. Okay, remember that. So friends, everything is good in this mobile phone. I hope you love. Okay, and friends, hope you love my unboxing video. If you love this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.